Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I'm tired, I'm not who I want to be? You're not weak, you're not lazy, you're just lost in noise. The noise of people, social media, and distractions. But here's the truth. If you disappear for just 6 months, cut off every distraction, and put your full energy into becoming your best self, your life will completely change. 6 months of silence, 6 months of pure focus, and you'll never be the same again. Every day your phone steals your dreams. Every scroll kills a little bit of your potential. You say you want success, but you spend more time watching others than improving yourself. You stay with the same people, doing the same things, and still wonder why nothing changes. Nothing changes because you haven't changed your environment. So disappear. Not forever, just for 6 months. Disappear from negativity, laziness, fake friendships, and noise. Let silence become your new strength. When you're alone, the truth shows up. There's no one to blame, no one to impress, just you and your reality. At first, it feels strange. You'll miss people. You'll feel empty. But slowly, silence becomes your best friend. You'll start hearing your own thoughts again. You'll see what truly matters. And step by step, you'll start rebuilding yourself. In isolation, you find discipline. You gain clarity. And most importantly, you meet your real self. 6 months are enough to change your body, your habits, your mindset, your entire direction in life. Wake up early. Read books that feed your mind. Train your body. Learn new skills. Start that business or project you keep postponing. Don't announce it to anyone. Let your results speak for you. Because real success doesn't need noise. It grows in silence. Don't think it'll be easy. It won't. You'll doubt yourself. You'll feel lonely. You'll want to quit. But pain is not your enemy. Pain is your teacher. Every struggle builds your strength. Every lonely night shapes your character. Every setback prepares you for a comeback. Most people quit right before they reach their breakthrough. Don't be one of them. Your 6 months may feel like hell, but that's the fire that will forge your greatness. Then one day, you'll start to notice. You're not the same person anymore. You don't care about opinions. You walk differently, think differently, feel differently. You'll look in the mirror and smile, because you'll finally see progress. You'll think, why didn't I start earlier? Your confidence will rise, your energy will grow, and you'll become addicted to growth itself. When people see you again, they'll see fire, focus, and freedom in your eyes. When you disappear, you learn who's real. The world keeps moving without you, and that's the greatest lesson. You stop living for validation. You stop chasing attention. You learn that solitude isn't weakness, it's power. Success doesn't need an audience. It only needs consistency, patience, and time. 6 months of silence will teach you emotional control, mental toughness, and inner peace. You won't just disappear, and then you'll return, not to show off, but to inspire. The same people who doubted you will ask for advice. The same people who ignored you will now notice you. But you'll stay calm and smile, because you know who you've become. You've built habits that others only dream about. You've developed discipline that money can't buy. And now you know what focus truly feels like. So disappear for 6 months. No noise, no excuses, no distractions. Work in silence. And when you return, return as the person everyone thought you could never be. Disappear, rebuild, return. That's how you change your life forever. 6 months of obsession can replace 6 years of procrastination. Your future self is waiting. Go find him.